So now this one is easy, very, very easy. We'll take white and let's take some. We'll start with the center. The center has some orange and a shade of red or brown. A reddish brown color if you have something like that, or a dark red. So we need more of white. So we'll start with this big area here, these two petals. So first we'll start with white and let's just add it over here. You can take some extra water, make it flowy. Also, if you take more water, it will help not, like, it will stay a little wet for a little longer time. It'll give you some time to blend the colors. Now we'll just take a little bit of orange just on the tip, add it here. If you feel, take some white also, mix it with this orange because we need something like a peach color. So it should be very light. I'm also adding little white on top of it just to make the orange little more diluted, like pastel. This, and again, if you feel the color is dried up, take some more white or just clean your brush and blend it over there.
So into the white?
Into the white.
Okay.
This is done. Then the same kind of shading will be here in this petal.
Okay. White and light orange.
Yes. So we'll start with the white and then we'll add a little bit of orange there.
Okay.
So after adding orange, I wash my brush and then I blend it with the water or white color. This has very less orange. So again, we'll start with white.
White, okay.
Orange. Very little, and I did not clean the brush with the same white brush. Little orange. And the whole petal will get a little peach kind of color. Start with white.
Okay. So very next to.
Yes. So add orange along the side of the other petal.
Okay.
Like very little amount of orange and white will just make it a little lighter, and we're just going to plain fill it.
Yeah, pale color or?
We'll make it a little pale and then we'll just fill it. There's no shading there. We'll use red once it dries up. So the shade of the orange should be little darker than the shading, but not exactly orange. So while it is still wet, you take some little amount of that red color.
Okay. Red color directly?
Yeah, directly, just a little bit on the tip. And we'll just add it approximately in the center of the flower. And then you just make some dots there. So next is we need a little bit of black.
Okay.
And we need basically gray. You just need a little drop. Don't take out a lot of color because otherwise it will get darker. So we're going to create gray color rather than using that black.
Okay.
Just prepare some gray color. That is what we will use for the rest of the petals. So this inside portion is all gray. Yep. So the little portion over here, we'll add white first. And then we'll add a little bit of gray. So gray will be just like an outline on the top.
Okay.
And then you mix it. And when you're adding this gray, it should be like start from the place where it is connecting the other petal. So this one will start with gray. The inside
Green.
is darker. So
This
dark
should be.
green and a little amount of yellow. And then white.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with the darker leaves first, like these ones.
Okay.
These doesn't have any white in it. So we have green. Let's start with this one here, this center one. So again, the bottom side is going to be darker. I'm going to add little more, add that green on one side. Take less water. Now here you can use two brushes, one for the yellow color, one for green, so that you don't have to
Okay.
wash your brushes again and again. So we'll take yellow in the other brush and we'll just add a little. And what I do is I'll take one more brush to blend these two.